Hello guys, welcome back to my new fun toy video. Are you guys ready to play? Let's go. Wow, look at this gun. No, it's so dirty. It's in pink color. Now this one is yellow. It's also so dirty. This one is green. Let's collect all the toys and put it in a bucket and wash it and see what's inside them. Now pick the first toy and put it in a bucket. I'll pick this one. It's a pink gun. Put it in the bucket. Now I'll pick this one. It's a yellow color. Put it in the bucket. Now I'll pick this one. It's a pink color. Okay. Now I'll pick this one. I think it's a vehicle. It is in blue color. Now I'll pick, I'm so confused what to choose. I pick this one. It's a green color. It's so dirty. Put it in the bucket. Now I'll pick this one. It's a green color. Let's put it in the bucket. Now we have only a few toys left. I have to pick this one. It's in pink color. It looks so cool. Let's put it in the bucket. Now I'll pick this one. No, it's so big. Let's put it in the bucket. Now I'll pick this one. It's a blue color. Let's put it in the bucket. Now we have only 4 toys left, 3 in yellow color and 1 in blue. Let's pick it. This one. It's a yellow color. I think it's a vehicle. Now I'll pick this one. It's a blue color. It was also look so cool. Let's put it in the bucket. Now I'll pick this one. It's a yellow color. Let's put it in the bucket. Now the last one is yellow. As you see, we have collected all the toys in the bucket. The toys are so dirty. Let's pour in some water to clean all the toys. Here is a clean water. Let's pick the first toy and wash it and see what inside them. Let's pick this one. It's a yellow color. Let's wash it. It's a green Jeep. Now I'll pick this one. It's a yellow color. Let's wash it. It's a walkie-talkie. Amazing.
Control, this is Unit 4. I have movement on the north dock.
Roger that, Unit 4. Hold your position and wait for backup.
Let's pick another one. Oh, here's a green truck. Let's wash it. Nice, this is a pickup truck. Now I'll pick this one. It's my favorite. I think it's an animal. Let's wash it. Wow, it's a dinosaur. Let's pick another one. Now I'll pick this one. It's a yellow color. It's so dirty. Let's wash it. Wow, it's a toy gun. Now I'll pick this one. It's a pink color. It looks so cool. Let's wash it. it's a gun. Now I'll pick this one. It's a green color. I think it's a truck. Let's wash it. Wow, it's a truck. Now I'll pick this one. It's a blue color. It's a bus. Let's do that. Now I'll pick this one. I think it's a cartoon character. Let's watch it. Wow, it's a Spider-Man. I'll pick this one. Blue color. Wow, it's a motorbike. Now I'll pick this one. I don't know what is it. Let's wash it. Wow, it's a binocular. Amazing. Now I'll pick this one. Now we have only 2 toys left. Let's wash it. Wow, it's a car. Now I'll pick the last one. Oh, it's a car. We have cleaned all the toys. Now the toys look so clean and shiny, and the water became so dirty. If you guys like this video, for more videos like this, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.